Igbo ibe ekenekwa m ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata sị na adịla onye ọbụla mma. Biko na enwere ihe na trend na social media. Anọ m na-akpụrụ Mathias Ezeaku. It's no longer news na-akpụrụ Mathias Ezeaku. It is no longer news na-eme gịnị na-akpụrụ Mathias Ezeaku. Oto onwe ihe m chọrọ paint out now. So now, una anolugo now for that now it is now legal. It is your right as an individual. It is your fundamental human right as an individual. Even murder arrest. It is now your fundamental human right. It is your right as a citizen of this country, as a bona fide citizen of every country, to arrest an individual that goes against your own fundamental human right. There is a power somewhere that needs to tell you a mutual understanding between you and I. So it is now common, it is officially no here questionable. Because now the way these people will remain were calm, now the arrest of Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor shows that now these people knows what they are doing. And with incident in the arrest of very dark man, I just come to you no bell. Why this arrest casual the two nke. That so many people are even scared of putting mouth into it. Because that arrest was not done in the church. Let's take for example now somebody like very dark man got Shiloh, or somebody like very dark man be adoration, grand prayer grand. Somebody like very dark man be somewhere like Ebukubi, Zion ministry, or somebody like very dark man be dunamis. How populated those how populated those places are they? Those population of those places, have no population of those places. The man of God may not be aware of such person there, because there are thousands and hundreds of billions or hundreds of thousands of people now around those premises that the man of God does not even know about them and doesn't know they exist. Obviously, idea GT Bank. They were bullier. Do you know that internet could have gone extremely on fire because now I am singing on the church? But to glory be to God, and at this thing in a commercial place like a bank, not in the hands of God. This also brings me to this point of, before you fight for any Nigerian, in the Nigeria, especially in the Nigeria, before you fight for anybody, Malokwa man onya he na kwadi take a bullet for, is he the one behind the gun about that bullet? Because I put me kuna mbakbolo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you and I amaro location Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. On the new answer ya. Na bulu very dark man na bank today. On the no kwana that premises on the man na bulu very dark man, and no hang on and the police na abia. So nneji nka ahi na iche. So we are talking about Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor now. So now Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor actually echete mgbe ya na ndị Zion ministry akụ Zion nwe problem. Ebe kpọtụ ya Abuja si anwa ebe akọwa. Not that he was getting arrested and bundled to Abuja. Mathias resisted arrest live on camera. He resisted arrest live on camera that day, and this prompted his boys to a confrontation within the police, accidental discharge because they went for the rifle. They went for the rifle because now again their brain has been brainwashed to see that anything that have to do with Mathias Ezeaku, or not gonna say Mathias like this, that they are ready to gain Igbo mad. That was why they went for the gun. Not only police were making that very day. So it is now right for him to come and defend Ihoni Kunono. Because according to the story, ndu yana nwoke nwe problem no mo je kwale ase na delete that video here man. Delete here and odoro mma, which everybody knows that you are lying. Matias pasted a transfer receipt in that video and he blocked the amount. or block the amount. The man will release the full amount. We send na nekwa here na na tolonde mothers na this thing in eku abroquia. Matias deleted that video and you went as far as threatening the people you go that now. Ya Jose Agaga Chacha. So everywhere became silent. Take for example, no on the church, all these people wanna bale adoration, ebuku living faith, do not miss. Onwere onye man of God na Nigeria na say who Matias na balebe. Check is no bunu nda we beti ya kwụsị ya na okay Matias bịa kene ke bịa kọwa next ndị ba ya sige ya hapụ no Jesus ka bịa na ọlụ n'ọgụ. You can happen Jesus ka bịa na alụ n'ọgụ. Why won't you eje kpọwa police? Why won't you ememe nka release Matias? Matias is innocent. Matias jikwa eme nka. Matias jiwe no nke ọzọ. Mana na-eke everywhere si wee dị quiet now silently because they believe that na gịnị me na o jere Abuja ka o je mee gịnị ka o je zala ọnụ ya. See, let me tell you people the truth that people don't want to know. You, the followers of Matias, will be the biggest downfall of Mathias Ezeaku. Because now he doesn't tell you people the truth and people does not tell him the truth. Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, everybody gingers him and tell him that and that will be his biggest fall today. And the Matias Ezeaku can go the truth. Any day actually dig out for on Dominant Abuzu Ezeaku will be the people to approach you. Why are you talking to? I said it the last time I made dig arrest. Go and watch my video. On do to Hanyana digging a mengolo. Do to a handan in a kifundo Kenyalo and Nina Juna organization. These are the same people you have Hananya they get 3 months, 2 months, 4 months after ya. They will be the one to revise and bag it. Again, na hakwesukwa ni na ehicha isi plug. Ni kwesukwa na ka na ehicha isi plug. Na go wana ya nozi dia ka ahụ na-ata nchala. These are the people that will come there. It's time to sit your husband down and tell him the truth. Because actually the guy for all you will realize that the world is wicked. Everybody is eyeing the position your husband is. The simple truth. Everybody in today now eye that position of Gageno. Ebe ya ihe nnekwu nwe si that na ka ogagi no kene the length ijele no. Ka ogagi no good half of the length of ihe ijele no go do first. Take your time, Ghana comment sections and then Madden Kumaka Matias. People say that the man they don't value him. I was Matias, but he jelly. Hundreds of people you choose the jelly over your husband. Can work the truth. Abianuku scandal or Gaganonia. Abianuku NGO mismanagement or Gaganonia. Abianuku uno ogu or Gaganonia. Ambulance scandal or Gaganonia. Nde mamu mundo to mamu muchu for example or Gaganonia. Kidi haye me ogaga ko ogaga na dronia. O tipo na couple me emoji alochu no ni na ona alo. Yemakwa na investigation your oga is in serious problem. Why can't you sometimes call him to order say I'm the right man uzuko end this topic like this. Akonye den do ba first. Negative ogaga no there 2 weeks. The world will move on and see that your husband does not exist. Dear Juan Jesus, Jua his family, Juan de Beke hit is his family, Josiano to Aquaco, Jua his family. Somebody like man pass man Capolo, and nobody heard about it. It's time for you people to wisen up. Yan Nagwag the simple truth and not the rest of more supporting Matias. No, Obama Yano Kuedia. Man, I'm telling you people the problem that will amount to you people. The world will move on as if Matias never existed. And that's the simple truth. And that is again the simple truth. My only pain is that all these things, our people are now beginning to see truth in it. One that church is not our problem. Our problem is Igbo nwanne nwoke, Igbo nwanne na nwanne gwo nwa Eziokwu. Gwakena nwanne gi nwoke where he's getting it wrong. My brother, you are my brother, but I'm your follower, but this one na imeteria. Bible we are Bible I want Christian and worship person. Bible I na read say that again. It's time to correct each other in love. Correction is allowed, but let it be done in love. Because Ka ọ dị nụ. Bye bye.